2016 on, the Mitsubishi X2 Shinshin technology demonstrator has been used for flight testing as part of a broader plan to arm the Japan has a self-defense force JASF with the 5th or 6th generation fighter mount. JASF rather than a conventional military, which means that its armed forces are entirely geared towards defending the island nation from air and sea attacks. This task has become more daunting due to China's large air force, huge arsenal of medium-range ballistic missiles and rapidly expanding fleet. Every year, Japanese fighters intercept Chinese and Russian military aircraft on hundreds of occasions. Japanese anxiety is heightened by the appearance of the 5th-generation J-20 stealth fighter in Chinese service, challenging the qualitative edge of the JASF's F-15 and F-2, domestically produced F-16, fighters. Tokyo really wanted to purchase the U.S. F-22 Raptor stealth fighter. Considered by many to be the best air superiority platform ever made, the Raptor comes with a stiff price to match its premium capabilities. However, an act of Congress explicitly banned the F-22 from export and the Raptor production line was closed prematurely. Instead, the JASF is making do by accepting 42 F-35A stealth fighters into service, though these are not as capable as air superiority fighters. Japan's Technical Research and Development Institute has already been independently studying stealth technology. Denied access to U.S. testing facilities, it shipped a stealth jet mock-up to France for radar cross-section testing in 2005. 11 years later, the Japanese firm Mitsubishi unveiled the Advanced Technical Demonstrator, ATD, also known as the X2. The Shinshin is operated by a single pilot and is fitted with the retractable tricycle-type landing gear arrangement with one nose wheel and 2 central main gears. It also features aerodynamic control surfaces. 2 rectangular intakes are provided on either side of the cockpit, while the S-duct design further improves aerodynamic efficiency of the aircraft. The Mitsubishi X2 demonstrator has a single-seat cockpit, enclosed by a transparent canopy. Onboard avionics include active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, advanced electronic countermeasures, ACM, and electronic warfare support measures, ESM. The first prototype was unveiled in January 2016 and its maiden flight is scheduled for February 2016. A fly-by-fiber optics flight control system facilitates efficient data transfer between the cockpit and the aircraft's control surfaces, through an electronic interface. The onboard self-repairing flight control system provides the aircraft with automatic detection of failures in the flight control system. The experimental aircraft will be powered by 2 XF51 low-bypass turbofan engines, developed by Ishikawa-jima Hirima Heavy Industries. IHI. With a length of 3 meters and a diameter of 0.6 meters, each engine produces a thrust of up to 11,000 pounds. The engines exhaust through low-signature exhaust ports in the tail of the aircraft. The engines are controlled by Full Authority Digital Electronics Control (FADEC) system, and are equipped with 1 high-pressure turbine, 1 low-pressure turbine and 3-dimensional thrust vector control technology. The engine's overall pressure ratio is 26:1 and the thrust-to-weight ratio is 7:8:1. The aircraft will employ afterburners for increased thrust. The Mitsubishi X2 Shinshin can fly at a maximum speed of Mach 2.25 and a supercruise speed of Mach 1.82. It can operate over a range of 2,900 kilometers with 2 external fuel tanks and has a ferry range of approximately 3,200 kilometers. Service ceiling of the aircraft is 65,000 feet and the estimated combat radius is 761 kilometers.